Well, welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. You know, we have a lot of great guests on the KOAM Morning News, as you might have seen, but we got a good one. We are fortunate enough to be joined by the one, the only, Mr. Kris Kringle himself, Santa Claus. Santa, how are you, sir?
I'm doing good, Jesse. How are you doing today?
I am fantastic. Look, we are getting closer and closer to Friday and Christmas Day. How are things going at the North Pole? Are they doing all right so far? I know you got a lot to prep for.
Yeah, they're doing great up here. We're in our mad dash to finish up, but we'll have everything ready to go on time.
Man, well, we really appreciate you taking some time out of your workday to just talk to us for a second. We wanted to touch base with you because we got a lot of kids around the four-state area that have some questions for you, and I wanted to see if you could answer a few of them. So do you mind just taking a second to answer these?
Not at all. Go ahead.
All right. Well, our first one is from Bryce, and Bryce wants to know, do you take a vacation after that you're done delivering all of the gifts, or do you just keep rolling because there might be returns, or how does that work?
Now, we always take a little vacation after we get done. We give the elves a few days off and just go unwind for a little bit, and then we get back to starting for next year.
There's a lot of different Christmas lists I know that you get sent or that you come across, whether it be online or just handwritten ones. But I understand you have a few from the four states. Do you mind? If you don't mind, could you read one of them for us?
Sure, I'll be glad to. I got a few here that I'll be glad to read today. I've got one from Bryce in Pittsburgh. Bryce is a big Disney fan, and he's looking for a Beauty of the Beast Belle doll with a cape and look and find book. Bryce has a sister named Emily, and their favorite color is red.
What about anybody in Fort Scott by any chance?
Yeah, I've got one from Kate from Fort Scott there. He's wanting a Titanic Lego set, an airplane Lego set, and a PlayStation 5.
Well, last but not least, I understand there's a couple names that I was told to ask you about, but I know you've got to get back to work. Is there Azariah by any chance on there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He sure is.
Okay.
Azariah he's wanting a Nintendo Switch, a hoverboard, and a phone.
Well, what is? Do you have Vivian on that list? I'm sorry to throw one more in there, but I just want to make sure that we get as many four-state kids as possible. Is Vivian on that list?
Sure is, and that's no problem at all. We'll get as many on as we can here. She's wanting a toothless dragon stuffy, a T-Rex dinosaur, and would like her pet cat Chauncey to get a present from Santa.
So if anybody has any letters they want to send in, we're going to do our best to get as many four-state kids mentioned and ask Santa about this. But hey, Santa, thank you again for taking the time to talk this morning. We really appreciate it, and we'll have this on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News after this.